Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright guys, super excited today because I'm going to teach you guys the dance from Matilda The Musical. Now this dance is amazing, amazing dances. The choreographer who made the dance, kudos. I think anyone can learn this dance. The hard part is dancing it to the song because the song is relatively fast. It's two things, practice, 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 and then being patient, all right? So I'm gonna teach you guys the moves, I'm gonna break it down, and then it's up to you to just keep practicing until you nail it. Let's go. Okay, so as always, I'm gonna break it down into some mini sections to make it as easy as possible for you guys, okay? Let's start with the first mini section. I'm just gonna show you the preview so you can see what you're about to learn, all right? The first preview goes like this. Da, 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 da. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, let me break it down for you. So what you want to do is just go out with your arms, in with your arms, out with your arms, in with your arms. Pretty simple, right? Just try and practice with me. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to go out, in, 5, 6, 7, 8, out, in. Good job. All right, let me explain the legs. If you have 2 chairs, bring them out because then you'll be able to do some of this stuff slowly and you could take off some of the weight so you don't get tired too quickly and you can do like jumps slowly, all right? So, what you want to do is go grab jumping on your left like this and then you want to say jump out on both legs, boom. Notice how my toes are pointing slightly inwards. Now from here, what you want to do is go jump out on your heels, toes flicking out to the sides, and then you want to back in, all right? Let me recap here. So the legs are doing left, in, out, in. Just try that with me. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, in, out, in. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, in, out, in. Alright, let me just show you from the side as well. So what I'm doing is I'm going left, in, out, in. Okay? Make sure that you've practiced that enough before we move on. Alright, so once you got the leg work down, what we want to do is combine it with the arms, okay? So let me just show you. We're going to go jump on the left, arms are going out to the side, okay? Now we want to jump in. Funny enough, legs are in, arms are in, all right? It makes sense. And then you want to jump out and then in, okay, at the end. Okay, so let me recap again. We did jump left, comes out, in, out, in. And just show it from the side as well. What I'm doing is I'm going out, in, a bit difficult to do slow, all right? Try it with me one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, in, out, in. All right, moving on to mini section 2. Let me show you a quick preview. This was end of 1, 2 goes, boom, 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 down. Okay, let me break that down for you. So this was end of 1, 2. The legs are going cross, so my right is in the front. Now here, what I want to do is I want to say point, and the other arm is in the back, okay? So let me just recap. This was end of 1, 2 goes, bam, right in front, left is in the back, okay? Now, what you want to do from here is jump out again like this, or this is actually in, and then you want to go out, and then you want to go down. It's not super complicated. From here, cross, in, out, down, okay? Just try it with me. I'm going to go slow. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to start. 5. Starting from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, in, out, down. Again, from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, in, out, down. Alright guys, so once you practice mini section 1 and 2, let's just try and combine those two. I'm just going to do a quick recap and then we're going to practice. Alright, so let me recap here. From the tip to top, we go jump left, arms out, and then we want to say in, out, in, and then cross point, in, out, down. Okay, try and practice with me. We're gonna go slow as possible. I mean, it's difficult to do this slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, in, out, in, cross, in, out. Now, if that was too fast, just pause the video and practice at your own pace. I'm just gonna do one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, left, in, out, in, cross, in, out, down. Okay, so once you've got the moves down, I just want to show the timing as well. It goes like this. Dun, dun. We can S, P, L, how, we. Alright, let's just try that one last time. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna say dun, dun. 5, 6, 7, 8, dun, dun. We can S, P, L, how, we. Alright, moving on to mini section 3, let me show you a quick preview. It goes like this. So this was end of 2, 3 goes boom, 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 down. Now let me explain. So the arms are pretty simple. They just go up in the air, yo, I don't know what this is. Then you wanna, here, bring them back. And then what you wanna do is go prep, cross, and then go out. Yeah, so this is wrong. Okay, so we did womb, behind, and no. Just try it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go yo, back, and wrong. Now, the feet, it's like you're doing mini jumps. So I'm just gonna show it from the side. What I wanna do is go jump. Yeah, notice how I'm jumping on my right. Let me just show it into the front. I'm jumping on my right, and then I'm lifting up my left leg. Alright, and then I just keep switching. Boom. Let me show it from the side again. So what I'm doing is I'm going mini jump, boom, lifting up my left leg, and then I want to do the opposite. Boom, boom. Alright, it's these mini jump. Okay, you want to do 3 of those, and you want to start by jumping on your right, lifting your left up, opposite, opposite. Okay, try and practice with me. We're just gonna do the jumps. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go jump, jump, jump. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go jump, jump, jump. So when you combine it, it's gonna look like this. Jump, jump, and jump. Right? Notice how the prep on the last one, you want to do this before you actually do the last jump. So let me show you what I mean. I go boom, boom, and boom. Okay? Let's try that one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go jump, jump, and no. And then the end of mini section 3, we want to do this where we sort of end it off. All right? So we want to jump down here. So let me show you the whole thing here. I'm going boom, boom, and no, down. Getting ready for the next mini section. Now, as for the timing, it goes, so end of 1, we ended on how we like if enough of us are wrong, wrong. Okay? So let's just try it one last time. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just start from down here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna go like if enough of us are wrong, wrong is. All right? 5 from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Like if enough of us are wrong, wrong is. All right, guys. Feel free to practice that a million times at your own pace. If you're ready to move on, then let's move on to mini section 4. All right, let me show you a quick preview of mini section 4. So this is end of 3. 4 goes boom, boom, A, A. All right, let me explain. So we're gonna start with the arms. The arms are going up here to your left side, and then you wanna do the opposite to the right side, and then you wanna say, lean to the front here and go, left elbow goes up, up. Okay, let me just show you again. What I did is I went boom, boom, and boom, boom. Okay, just try that with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, and left, left. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, and our left, left. Now the legs are doing jump. Alright, so my right is on my heel, left is on my toes, alright? And I'm sort of flicking them to the right side. So we're gonna go whoop, back. And then we wanna do the opposite. So the left side, boom, and then back. Okay, just try that with me. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go right and left and 5, 6, 7, 8, right and left and. Now, what we want to do from here is say the left is stepping to the front, all right? My whole body is sort of turning here to my right because I want to say left, right, left, all right? So just check. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Okay, so let me show it from a different angle here. So let's say this was my front. I would go boom, boom, and boom, boom. All right, that was the leg work. So let's try and practice the leg work. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, and left, right, left. So when you combine the two, it's gonna look like this. Jump, and left, right, left. Okay, let me show it from a different angle here. So if this was my front, I would go jump, and left, left. Okay, time to practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, and left, left. Now, as for the timing, it goes wrong is, we got one right, every word, N-O-R-T. Okay, so let me just show you a bit faster so you can see. Wrong is right, every word, N-O-R-T. Okay, try and practice with me. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, right, every word, N-O-R-T. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, every word, N-O-R-T. Okay, so once you've practiced that, I think it's time that we combine mini section 1, 2, 3, 4 before we move on, okay? So I'm just gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. All right, so it goes like this. You wanna jump out, in, cross, in, out, down. And then it was a mini jump, and wrong, down, jump, right, down, left, down, and then front and front. All right, let me show you the timing as well. So it goes like this. We can S-P-L how we like. If enough of us are wrong, it's right. Every word N-O-R-T. All right, guys, time to practice. I'm gonna start slow, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. We can S-P-L how we like. If enough of us are wrong, wrong is right. Every word N-O-R-T. Alright guys, let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. We can S-P-L how we like. If enough of us are wrong is right. Every word N-O-R-T. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.